Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network, where we bring you the latest news and updates from all across the continent. Today, we have some heartbreaking news to share with our viewers. The Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, has confirmed a fatal road traffic accident that occurred on January 25, 2025 at around 1000 hours on the Muzarabani Road. According to the ZRP, a Hino Ranger vehicle with 2 passengers on board collided head-on with a motorcycle carrying 1 passenger at the 40-kilometer peg. The impact of the collision was devastating, resulting in the death of both the motorcycle rider and passenger on the spot. The bodies of the victims were taken to St. Albert's Hospital mortuary for post-mortem. This unfortunate incident serves as a tragic reminder of the dangers of reckless driving and the importance of road safety. The ZRP has urged all motorists to be extra vigilant while on the road and to avoid any actions that may lead to road accidents. As we mourn the loss of these precious lives, it is a wake-up call for all of us to take responsibility for our actions on the road. Each one of us has a role to play in ensuring the safety of ourselves and others on the road. Let us all work towards creating a safer environment for everyone. This incident also highlights the need for stricter laws and stronger enforcement to prevent such accidents from happening in the future. The ZRP has assured that they will continue to monitor and enforce traffic laws to ensure the safety of all road users. However, it is not only the responsibility of the authorities to ensure road safety. As individuals, we must also do our part by following traffic rules, avoiding distractions while driving, and being respectful towards other road users. The loss of these 2 lives is a tragic and unnecessary one, and our hearts go out to their families and loved ones. We urge all our viewers to join us in sending our prayers and condolences to the families of the victims. In conclusion, let us all remember that road safety is not just a concern for the authorities, but it is a collective responsibility. Together, we can make a difference and prevent such devastating accidents from occurring in the future. Stay safe on the roads, and let us all work towards a safer and better tomorrow. Thank you for watching Africa and Beyond Television Network.